Welcome back to my kitchen. This delicious coconut curry salmon is one of my favorite weekday meal. It's very easy to prepare and it takes only a few ingredients. So get your ingredients and let's get started. I can assure you, you're gonna enjoy it. Let's get started. Our first step is to wash our salmon and pat it dry with paper towel. Then we are going to sprinkle with curry powder and salt. Instead of salt, you can also use fish seasoning or all-purpose seasoning. Next, we're going to heat our oil on medium heat. Next, we are going to cook our salmon for about 6 minutes, flipping it over so that both sides are cooked. This might take about 6 minutes or less, depending on how you want it. So we flip it over and allow it to continue cook so that the other side will be well cooked. And all the measurements and the recipes and the measurements will be in the description, and this is a very easy, quick and easy recipe. And when both sides are cooked, we're going to remove it from the pot, put it on a plate and set it aside. And then to the same pot, we're going to add minced garlic and minced ginger and allow that to cook until fragrant, about 1 to 2 minutes. And then we're going to reduce the heat to low and add coconut milk. We're also going to add more curry. Make sure to lower the heat. We're adding some curry. Some fish seasoning. We're also going to add some light brown sugar and also some lemon juice. We're going to mix everything together. You could add a little bit more curry to give it a richer flavor. And we mix well to combine, and then we're going to taste. And add a little bit more salt or fish seasoning or all-purpose seasoning and curry to your taste. I'm going to add a little all-purpose seasoning to bring it up to my taste. And allow that to simmer and evenly combine on low heat. And remember, you can add a little bit more curry to your liking or your taste. Now I'm going to add the spinach and the carrot. And we're going to stir and allow it to simmer about 1 to 2 minutes. Allow it to simmer. And now we're going to add back the salmon to the pot. And you can flake it into pieces.